cell division that produce two new daughter cells. Cell cycle is divided into two cycles, which are the interphase and the M-phase. The interphase consists the Cap1 synthesis phase and Cap2, while the M-phase is the mitotic phase, wherein the cell division occurs. This is an example of cell cycle. Now it's time to tackle the Cap1 or the G1 phase. G1 phase is the first of four phases in the cell cycle of eukaryotic cells. It is a period of growth and preparation for mitosis and is considered as the most important phase of the cell cycle. In G1 phase, cell is quite active at the biochemical level. Cell also grows physically larger and copying organelles and making the molecular building blocks it will need in later steps. The next phase is the synthesis phase. Synthesis phase or S phase is the stage of the cell cycle where DNA is replicated. It is between the Cap1 phase and the Cap2 phase of the cell cycle. Synthesis phase, as stated earlier, is where the DNA replication occurs. It is where the cell synthesizes a complete copy of the DNA in its nucleus. It also duplicates a microtubule organizing structure called centrosome. The centrosome helps separate the DNA during the M phase. The next one is the Cap2 or the G2 phase. The Cap2 phase is a stage in the cell cycle that occurs after the DNA synthesis and before mitosis. During this phase, the cell prepares for division, wherein the cell grows, replenishes energy, and synthesizes proteins and organelles to prepare for mitosis. In this phase, the cell has doubled the DNA and increased in size. It is also where the cell reorganizes its contents and dismantle the cytoskeleton to provide resources for mitosis. At this stage, the cell senses cellular and environmental conditions to determine if it should divide or not. Now, let's proceed to the M phase. M phase is the stage of the cell cycle where a cell divides to form a two daughter cells. It involves a series of events that includes mitosis and cytokinesis. In mitosis, the nuclear division that occurs when chromosomes condense, the nuclear envelope breaks down, and the chromosome moves to the opposite poles of the cell. Mitosis has four stages: the prophase,